Hey, Yamandu Marangujis. Are you well, friends? Look, as part of NATOC, New South Wales Aboriginal Tour Operator Council, myself and Craig Layer, a very good Mudgee of mine, we went out this week into Radri country, dropped into Condobolin and said g'day to a lot of mob out there and saw some amazing artwork and a beautiful cultural centre that's just will blow your mind away. Said g'day to that mob out there, and then we headed off to Mudgee and met the Lands Council out there and some amazing elders and community people out there, and had a look around their nation. Saw a fantastic bush block they've got out there, which is just ready to go for New South Wales Aboriginal Tourism. And then we slipped down to Orange, New South Wales, still Radri country, Nurrumbun, and dropped in, had a yarn and some mob in there, and that's a fantastic area for tourism as well. So the role of NATOC, New South Wales Aboriginal Tour Operator Council, it's a long word, we just call it NATOC. Our role and passion being Aboriginal operators is to instill and go out and try to fire up local communities about doing what we're basically doing in community, is just trying to keep up with the domestic boom of tourism in New South Wales. So if you're interested and want to have a yarn, look, follow my Facebook page, which you're obviously on now, which is Radri Mob, and contact me through that, and also look at our Facebook page called NATOC, and contact us through that. So if you're a local Aboriginal community, Lands Council individual, and you want to get into tourism, we're happy to try and help you as best we can. There's no cost involved in that. So come and have a yarn to us. Happy to help you, but on behalf of Craig and myself and NATOC, I just wanted to Mundangulu, thank you for those people out there that turned up to our workshops and our yarn up sessions, and we were very proud that we could have a yarn to you and that you could show us around your country. So hey, guwayo, safe travels.